even after all these years of trading, my wife will say, so, how'd we do today? And it's like, well, we're up, $500. But my plan is to make 5,000. But, she says, well, did you take it? You know, and, and it's like, no, yeah, but you could lose that tomorrow. Yes, but, and this is, and we've talked about this for years.
Right.
But still, she's not in it, and she doesn't want to be in it. It's just one of those things where you have to stick to your principles of what you know and what we've learned and what has happened over the long term, as opposed to just, looking at maybe like short-term success.
Right, right. Well, I listen to a lot of success things, obviously, because I'm a success coach, NLP coach, and all that other stuff. And one of the podcasts I was listening to brought up this thing of tactics versus strategies. A strategy is your long-term overall goals, and your tactics are your trades. Tactics, they work and they go up and down or whatever, but you need to play in the right tactics to reach your long-term strategy goal.